MMTLP got halted with U3 halt code. What does that mean? And we're gonna discuss, of course, MMAT because it went to our bottom support and we have a reversal as we expected above the $1.25, and we're gonna discuss the squeeze area and the reversal for MMAT and MMTLP, both of them. So let's get right to it. Build the plan for tomorrow market because we're gonna have a huge volatility. First, let's discuss what's mean the U3 halt code that's being given from vendor. The code U3 is given because we have a significant event, which is around Monday, the next bridge hypocarbon spinoff. The event will generate a huge trading volume about its completion. That's why we have the halt before the big event on Monday. There's one thing, if we have the potential to trade MMTLP on Monday, we're gonna have this price action for MMTLP because first off, we didn't hold the $3.33. If you remember, last time we talked about MMTLP, we said the $10 is the squeeze area and the price gave up and didn't overcome our level of resistance. And again, we said the $7.53 should be the support and we should have a bounce. And we already have a bounce before, and the price went higher around the 7th of December, then gave up the next day. Okay, so that's why we said the $7.53 should hold. And if we didn't hold it, as we spoke about it before, we're gonna have a huge dive toward the $3.33, and we didn't have any buying pressure. So what's the game plan? Right now is clearly a short attack on MMTLP. So if we have the chance to trade MMTLP for Monday, we see this reaction. The $2.74 should be the bottom, and of course the $3.33 will initiate the first explosion, because if we clear the $3.33 and we held above the $2.74, we're gonna have this reaction going until the $5. This will be a price action at least 70% volatility, and the price action for MMTLP at least for Monday if we have the chance to trade it, of course, and if we hold above the $2.74. For MMAT, the good reaction for MMAT is we still holding above our current support that we spoke about it before. We said it, if we don't hold the $1.63, we're gonna have a dive until the support, the $1.26, and we have this reaction during Friday trading hours, and that's why the price went until the $1.43. We did live streaming around 7 p.m. CET because we always do live streaming to cover the stock market on Friday. And what we said, we need to hold this ascending line and break the $1.43. We have the try before the market closed the last hour, but we got weak and the price went down. So it still have a potential to squeeze. If we need to hold above this triangle. The best case scenario is we open on Monday pre-market above the $1.45. This will give us the reaction to go at least to test the $1.63 for MAT. And of course, the $1.26 should be our support, because if we didn't hold above our support, the $1.26, if we open the pre-market below the $1.26, it means we're gonna have another sell-off just right above the $1 psychological level. Of course, over there we're gonna have a huge buying pressure because this will be the price value for MMAT. We got a lot of questions from you guys. What's gonna happen for MMAT? We're gonna have a dip below the $1. Of course, we're gonna hold above the $1 first, and we're gonna have a reaction, a reversal. If we held above the $1, is mean this is the bottom. If we dipped, we're gonna do another update. However, in the meantime, the $1.26 should be the support and the last fight for MAT to have the squeeze and overcome the $1.63, because this will be a trigger for a squeeze. But the first initiation for the squeeze for Monday or the next week is the $1.43. This will be the best signal that MAT have the fighting chance, and the whales starting buying and the short starting to cover their shares. So this is the first signal for MAT, and for MMTLP, the $3.33 will be initiation for a squeeze after we hold the $2.74. We're gonna do updates, so hit the notification and like button. See you in the next update.